Hey, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Really good program here that can help a lot of people. It's a COVID Arpa whole home repairs program. I'm going to have the link in the description. I'm going to go over this quickly for you. This is a PA website, but I believe the programs, if you Google it, it's probably available all over the United States. This program is a countywide program, and it's basically for people who are under 80% of the median income. I don't make the program, I'm just explaining it to you. But funding is available for those people. You can also have loans for landlords, and they can be forgiveness. This is up to $50,000 for habitability concerns, improved energy, water efficiency, or for disability use. So this is a great program as far as that's concerned. It's a grant. So if you're approved, you don't have to pay it back. That's great. Oh, I'm gonna call him back. Basically, there's different agencies if you click this link, but I'll put the link in the description. When you go there, you find your county and it tells you what you have to do to apply. And once again, this is the whole home repairs program. Details below. Check out the link. If you have questions, comment below. If you need help with anything, comment below. Let me know. I'll see what I can do to help you. It's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center, the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel, and doing business as Harmony Senior Housing. I'm going to put a link to our donation for Harmony Senior Housing. We have a great program going on, more information, and the website's coming soon. Have a great day.